new video here. I got more smoke alarms, so and one coming out too. So just putting one battery in. So where do I get these? I'm wondering. I moved house recently, and these came. Brought these for some reason. So I've now got crust, more crust. Okay. So let's test. Right. Firstly, this square smoke alarm here. Test. Test. Alarm number 1. I'll be doing another video because I'm getting more alarms. This one. This. Actually, carbon dioxide alarm. Carbon monoxide. But it's carbon monoxide alarm, so. Bro, get out my video. You weren't invited. You were not invited. But, right. Next video, I will do a full test with real smoke, real everything. So, there we go, next video. All of these will be off at the same time. Not just test. This one, it's not. This one's really old. Meant to be replaced like 7 years ago. So that's why it's come with me. All of these here, except these two, are radioactive. Radioactive. So, I will do a longer video. Please don't interrupt me again. I will do a longer video, and this will be not outside, so it'll be a bit louder. And so these are really easy to. These ones here are really easy. And one thing about these, I hate. One thing really about these I hate. You notice batteries, you have to like shove it out. That one didn't even detect it had battery. This one didn't even detect. Like this smoke alarm, this was the one that's beeping. Smoke alarm is not very good. I mean, I've seen online that these react in like, I don't know, 10 seconds off a fire, so they are actually quite good. It's just I've not tested it, but they are quite weak sounding, just like this. Look, listen. That doesn't usually wake me up. But like this. It has tape on it, so it wouldn't be as loud. But this would be a bit louder. And this. But this is a newer one. It was made in, I don't know, 2020. It meant to be replaced in 2030. So it doesn't work. It does actually work. So that one works. Right. What are the alarms that come in? Basically, they're 240 volt alarms, so it will take a lot longer to set up, but they'll be more fun because they're 240 volt. They communicate to each other. And also they can I'm getting this switch for them as well, where it's a little master control switch, and basically I can shuffle them off, do that, basically. So, sorry I haven't uploaded a while. I might have another video today, if I have enough time, but see you guys later. Hope this video gets a lot of likes and views. Goodbye.